Hey guys, Dave the MMP back on YOLO for a little DIY sailboat fun. I haven't been doing a lot of recordings lately. I've been in the background doing a lot of projects. So I have officially retired from full-time work, and I still teach night school at night at a local university college. And I've been doing boat work. So I'm still working on sewing up some of the parts for the boat. Eventually I'll make a new Dodger, and that'll be once I've fully perfected my sewing skills. Right now I've done a couple projects here where I made some lifelines, made the covers for the lifeline, and you can see here on this guy, so new lifeline covers here. The whole boat was done in gray, and I'm not that fond of gray. There's gray paint on the boat, which is kind of okay. I may change it to blue. I'm going to change all the canvas to blue. So this Pacific blue here, this is Sailboat fabric, and eventually I'll do the Dodger up here. I'm doing lifeline covers right now. I also did a tiller cover. So eventually, I'd like to make some cushions in the cockpit here that are covered in this umbrella blue material. So when you sit down, right now there's kind of a bit of a wood. I've got to finish this, but I'll probably end up with a seat cushion down here and then a little bit of a back. So when you're sailing, usually you're always heeling one side. So I'll make some cushions for that. Now, currently I'm working on solar arch. So you can see up here, I've got one solar panel, and it's only about 90 watts. And so I've got a couple of 200 watt panels to go up here. I'm starting to mock up a bit of the solar arch here. So I've got a whole bunch of tubes that I bought. It's stainless 1-inch tube. And I'm going to redo all of this. So I've got to take all of this down and put up the new pieces and mock that up, see what that looks like, and then I'll get all the stainless welded. As you can probably see, my panel is gone. And I still only have this one little spot right here. Okay, so I got this one little stick here. And now I'm going to put another one in the corner here, then put the bridge on top, and I'll have an arch. Got a couple more brackets down here, so I'm going to retain those brackets, and they'll go straight up on an angle to support this thing. So there's the what's left of it on the dock. So that was a fun little challenge to get off. It wasn't easy, let me tell you. Trying to find a spot where I'm not in the sun. All right. So that was quite the challenge. Marine hardware, even if it's stainless, once it's been in the environment for quite a while, especially the ocean environment. I'm in the river right now, so I'm in pretty much fresh water. It is tidal, so it comes up and down with the tide. I'm not far, I'm about maybe 3 miles or 5 miles from the ocean. But the reason that I chose to park in here was because it's mostly fresh water. It's the Fraser River. So you don't get barnacles on your boat. You get this weird green kind of sludge that grows on it, but that just pressure washes off really easily. So the previous owner had it up in Ioko, in Coquitlam, and it's real salty water up there. It's connected right to Burrard Inlet in downtown Vancouver, so very salty water. When we pulled the boat out for the inspection, it had a massive clump of barnacles on the prop and on the prop shaft. So I don't get that anymore, so that's kind of nice. Okay, I'm going to continue on with my solar project and put up some more cross beams and see what this thing looks like. Okay, so I've got a few things going on here. I've got my other post up and the original post that I had up, and now you can probably see that I've got the crossbar up, And I've got it all level. I'm really happy with the dimensions of it, where it's sitting in the backstay. And my 2 panels are going to fit on top of that. There's another bracket that goes out the back, and there's a bracket that comes forward. So the panels will have 3 crossbars to sit on. And then I've got a couple of cross braces that go from this corner up here up there, 1 on each side. And I'll probably have 1 from the way far back post coming down either to the top rail or down to the mid rail. So that's kind of it for today. I'm going to take all these parts to the machine shop and get them to weld them all together, TIG weld them. It's all stainless. And then I'll bring the whole thing back and put it on the boat and bolt it down for good. Then I'll mount the panels. So that's it for me. Like and subscribe up here somewhere. Maybe it's up here. And I'll see you guys next week for a little Sailboat DIY solar arch installation. See ya.